Hi Dawn and Don. This is a tutorial to show you how to quickly change the header section and these slides on your website. So the first thing you're going to do is log into NewView, and I'm actually logged in as Dawn here. And you're going to click on Edit Site. Normally this is what you would do to update sections. However, you're going to do the header section and these slides a little bit differently. Don't worry about these slides not showing up sometimes in the edit window. That's just the way NewView handles certain sections. So go ahead and close this. Now if we look over on your normal site, excuse me, on your live site, we can see that we have this Mother's Day image in the header. If you want to change this across the entire site, what you're going to do is click on Site Pages, and you're going to click on Includes. And there's an include called Header Right PHP. You're going to click on that, and you'll see that brings up 3 links and the image. So if we look at that over here, 3 links and the image. That's what this chunk of code, this include /header-right.php. Don't worry about all that stuff. Just worry about, click on Site Pages, click on Includes, you click on Header Right. Now what you want to do in here is edit this image just like you would normally. So you click on it. Over here on the side you can see there's a folder called Header Images. We've put all of your header images in here. Let's say I want to change it to flower petals. We're going to click this, we're going to click Finish, and then we're going to publish. So now if we come over here to the live site, hit refresh, we can see it's changed across the entire site. Alright, so if we go back to the home page, we want to update this placeholder slide, which is in the number 1 spot. So it looks like we have Pandora in the 2 slot, and we have Unforgettable Mother's Day in the 3rd slot. So we're going to close this out. Now the way we're going to do this is very similar. We're not going to edit the actual page, the home page. We're going to come over to Site Pages, and we're going to scroll down this list, and there's 3 pages set up for the different slides. Nivo Slider 1, Nivo Slider 2, Nivo Slider 3. We want to change Slider 1. So we're going to click here. And you can see we have just the slider image and the link that this image is going to go to. So for example, if we want to change the link, right now we can see that it's dndjewelers.com/gifts.html. So if we come back over to the live site, if we go to the first slide, if we click it, it kicks us over to the gifts page. Well, let's say we want to do, let's say we want to link to the watches page. So we come to the watches page, highlight this text, copy, come back over, edit the link, paste, hit OK. Now we want to update this image. Oops, let's go ahead and publish that real quick. Now we want to update this image, so we're going to do it just like you would normally. Click on this little icon. Over here in sliders, there's a slider folder. And let's put Ladies Night Out in the 1st spot. So you click on that image, hit Finish. We're going to come up here, Publish. When we come back over to our site and reload the page, there it is in the number 1 spot. And if we click on it, it links us to watches. So with those 2 different processes, you can quickly update your header across the entire site, and you can swap out these slides. Just remember, you don't want to go just to edit site for the header or for the slider. You do want to go to edit site. Oops, let's refresh so that pops up. There we go. If you're working on, let's say we click on watches here. If you want to edit the text, then you definitely want to go to Edit Site. However, if you want to edit the header image, you go to Includes, Header Right PHP. And if you want to do the sliders, you go to Site Pages, and you come down here, Slider 1, Slider 2, Slider 3. And that's it. You should be able to handle everything from here. If you have any problems or if you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.